So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm playing with my slime. That guy is blue. It's so good. It smells so nice. So guys, let me show you something, wait. Let me just put my slime away. Just gonna turn the card away. Okay, let me just show you something. Let me just make it. Guys, have you seen the slime twirls? Probably you guys have, but I want to show you guys even though you have seen it from other people. So guys, let me just put it slime away. I'm rushing a lot. This channel it's gonna be short, so sorry, deuces. Guys, sorry if I keep saying deuces. So good. It's vanilla from McDonald's. As you can see the M. Who's ready for school tomorrow? This is my slime. So so come. That's how dark outside is right now. That's how dark it is. Literally. Guys, so don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, subscribe to my cousin 11.2. Bye, Diamond.